Codeflow is a platform for building and sharing code walkthroughs that make it easier for new contributors to learn your codebase. This is what a finished walkthrough looks like. Going through the walkthrough, we see it consists of Markdown on the left, explaining various parts of the codebase displayed on the right. Codeflow walkthroughs are organized into steps and subsections. You can think of a step as a logical grouping of subsections, with each subsection describing specific lines, files, or even directories of your codebase. Now, let's create our own sample walkthrough. Let's call it GitHub integration. It'll be about how Codeflow retrieves and displays code stored in GitHub. Now, let's add our walkthrough's first step. We'll title it GitHub API. Now, let's create a subsection in our first step and call it pulling source code. For this subsection, we'll reference GitHub client lines 37 through 62. Now, anytime this subsection is selected, GitHub client lines 37 through 62 will be opened here on the right. Next, let's describe the code we just referenced. Now let's add one more subsection in our first step. That'll be it for our first step. Let's add a second. Great, we're all done with this mini walkthrough. Let's publish it. And now let's check out our published work. We have two steps, each with two subsections, describing how Codeflow retrieves and displays code stored in GitHub. After publishing a Codeflow walkthrough, you can share it by sending its URL to anyone who might find it useful. You can copy this URL like so. As for maintaining these walkthroughs, Codeflow will actually self-correct its walkthroughs line numbers to keep them up to date as the codebase changes. This happens via a job that runs every 24 hours. Codeflow also has workflows for keeping walkthroughs up to date when it cannot automatically update these line numbers, like if, for example, this whole file was deleted. We'll save that for another video. Thanks so much for watching.